Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video, we have discussed about what is AWS Eventbridge and what is an archive. And in today's video, we'll be talking about the rules and events. So let's go ahead and start. So coming to the rules section, you can see under here, we have the rules. So whenever we have created this archive, so this is the default one that has been created, but let's go ahead and create a new one. So coming to the definition of the rules define conditions, the event patterns for processing events on the event bus. So they determine how events are filtered and routed to different targets, such as AWS Lambda functions or SNS topics. So rules provide flexible for event-driven architecture and enables a centralized management for event processing logic. So let's go ahead and create one, right? So create a rule. And here, let me give the name according to the documentation. So that is the rule name. And if you want to add the description, you can. And if you want to add the event bus like other, you can. But in this case, let's leave it as default for now. So rules with the event pattern, that is what we required. And let's go next. And here select other. And it's an optional. So let's go to the other. And here add the event pattern. So in this case, we'll be having an event pattern. So this is the event pattern that is according to the documentation. So we'll be adding this one. So that's it. And just making sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. So let's go to the next and coming to AWS service. So in this case, we have to use the Lambda function that we have created, right? So let me go here and let me type Lambda. And here the function that we have created initially, which is log schedule div. So click that. And so that's it. Let's go next. And next, that's everything. And let's go ahead and create the rule. Right, we have successfully created this rule. And here, let me refresh this. And you can see there will be the diagram will be changing. So just a second. So done. So we have created this, and if I go to monitor and just check the logs here, you can see we have the logs generated. And so let me go to the rule section again. So we have successfully created the rule. The next one will be the event. So let's go to the event buses, and here let's send the events. So click send, and let me add the source as a test event in this case, and add that one, and detail type, the one that we have created just before, like the filtered rules, right? Which is customer created. Let me add that one, and it will just codes, and that's everything. Let's go ahead and send it. Right. So we have sent this request successfully. So that is step 3 and step 4. And coming to the step 5, we'll be using a replay events, and finally we'll be cleaning up the resources in the next video. So yeah, coming to this video, I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.